Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Let's look at the min function. Here we have golf scores. We want the lowest golf score, min. Excel's min function returns the smallest number within the given data. The min function disregards empty cells. Do we have any empty cells? No, we don't have to worry about that. The trues and the false logic values and text values. Okay, disregards empty cells, the true and false logic values and text values. Min C5, C15. Min function returns the smallest value. Min function returns the smallest value from any numeric data types. For example, min can return the lowest golf scores, the earliest date, the smallest percentage, the lowest temperature, so on. Min function accepts up to 255 arguments of the, you can see 1, 2, and so on and so forth. Min function returns the smallest numerics, all right? So you could go min 12, 17, 25, 23, hard-coded. We just grabbed the range. You can also go, the min function can accept the following types of arguments: single value, ranges, and list arrays. Min 510, that's hard-coded. B5, B6, B7, B5, range, B5, B11 to B15. So you have a range here, or a set of data here, and a set of data over here, and etc. You can just go in, you can just put a comma, then your next list. See where it says number, 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 number? Okay. That's it. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.